Hello and welcome to another DataYard how-to series. This how-to will show you how to install a Connect Mail email box on Microsoft Outlook 2019 for Mac. If you're using Microsoft Outlook 2019 for a Windows machine, the steps are going to be fairly similar, fairly consistent. The settings are going to be exactly the same. The way that you get to the various menus may change a little bit, but the steps are going to be exactly the same. So the way I'm going to do this on the Mac is I'm going to go to Tools, Accounts, and I'm going to see my DataYard account, but I want to set up a brand new account. And the mailbox that I want to set up for this one, I like to set these two on top of each other so I can see them, is bobdole@donet.com. That's the email address that I've got at DataYard. This is not an Exchange account, so make sure you choose an IMAP POP account. And the username I'm going to use is just what's to the left of the @ symbol, just Bob Dole. And the password I've already got saved in my clipboard, my clipboard buffer. Incoming mail server is going to be imap.donet.com. And your outgoing server is going to be smtp.donet.com. Port 993 for imap.donet.com using SSL, that's correct. smtp.donet.com, port 587, use SSL to connect. Those are the correct settings. You want the encryption enabled on the inbound and outbound email. And now I'm just going to click Add Account. Now on the Mac, I'm going to see this pop over here to yellow state until it verifies and authenticates. And once it finally authenticates, it'll turn to a solid green. There we go. I am done. And let's close this box now. And let's go over and see Bob Dole. And he's got an email already. And it's from me. It's been a long time, Bob. I hope you're doing well. And that is how you set up a Connect Mail email box using IMAP POP on Outlook 2019.